Welcome to Okija, Anambra State, Nigeria. It is, of course, the traditional marriage ceremony between Uchechukwu and Chukwuebuka Okafor. It was, of course, one of its kind, a gathering of love, a joining of families, culture, and tradition.
He's a very open person and somebody that I think that can keep something for me, especially my family. Yeah, and she's a very kind person and very honest person. So I decided not to waste time to just settle down with her. It's not up to here that we know each other, but to God be the glory that we are getting married. I would describe her like my minimum because she's a keeper. Yeah, she's a keeper and very honest person. Somebody that I can trust with my heart. I'm very lucky. Honestly, I'm very lucky to have somebody like her.